Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off rush commentary in FC 26. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to this gear icon which you can see at top left hand corner. Once that open, go to settings, then game settings. Now on the screen, by using the RB key or R1 key, we need to head over to the section audio. So here we need to scroll to rush audio section, and here you're gonna see the option for commentary volume, which we need to put on 0 so that we're not able to hear anything. And yeah, that's it. This is gonna work for a lot of people, but just in case if this method is not working in your case, you can try the second one. In the second method, you need to firstly set up the rush match which you wanna play, and then in this match setting we need to decrease the commentary volume. So for that, just pause the match, and just right here we're gonna open the settings. Similarly, we'll head over to game settings, again go to audio. Now this time you can try to change the commentary language to something like French or anything, and then you need to decrease the commentary volume to 0 and just save this and see if this works. But yeah, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.